So today I'm going to show you how to make the Vulcan IDIC. This actually doesn't stand for what you think it does. I'll show what it stands for at the end of this. But in the meantime, do you think it's dangerous to wear a red shirt in a Star Trek tutorial? So start by taking a thin piece of cardboard and tracing something round onto it. And then just cut out that circle. Shampoo bottles are a really good size for this. And then just take something that's a smaller circle, in this case I'm using the cap, and trace that off center of the bigger circle. Then take an X-Acto knife or utility knife and cut out the small inner circle. Just like that. And then you want to cut the long triangle out of another piece of cardboard. And then take an X-Acto knife or utility knife, or even a pair of scissors, and just make a thin cut about halfway through it, not all the way, just enough to make a little line in the back, so you can easily bend the cardboard and form the ridge on the triangle, in the center of the triangle. And that'll just go on the circle. So paint the circle with some metallic gold paint, and then paint the triangle with some metallic silver paint. And then take a sticky back sequin and peel the backing off. And push that on the tip of the silver triangle, just like that. And then that will sit kind of sideways on the circle. So just put a little bit of hot glue on the back of it and squish it right in place. So then on the back side, just run a line of hot glue. Obviously I didn't finish painting the back side. And set a necklace chain in the hot glue. And when that dries, run another line of hot glue over the top of it so it's completely encased in hot glue, and that'll hold it in place. And then you'll have your little Vulcan IDIC. And according to my cat, whose name is actually Mr. Spock, the IDIC stands for Intelligent Divinely Inspired Cat. And since my cat's name is Mr. Spock, he probably knows what he's talking about.